Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Gadget Grass. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you how to add a cover images to Instagram Reels. For that, you need to hop into your Instagram application. Make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Then you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. So once you get access on your profile feed, you need to scroll a bit down and select the reel you wanna add a cover image to. Once you have selected the reel or the post, you need to tap on the upper right corner three dotted line of this reel, and this page you need to tap on edit. So here you can see that the edit info page has opened. On the reel you can see at the bottom left corner a small edit like icon. Tap on it. And once you get access on this page, you can choose how your reel will show up for others. You can select a frame from your video or the photo from your camera roll as a cover image. Right now, let's tap on add from camera roll at the bottom of the screen and select any cover image that I want to add on this Instagram reel. You can also choose any cover image that you want to add on your Instagram reel. Once you have selected the cover image, tap on done at the upper right corner. Now tap on the tick mark. Before that, if you want to customize the information of this reel, then you can customize it as per your preference. Now tap on tick mark on the upper right corner. So once it is done, and let's come back to the same profile page and see how does it look like to other people. So here on the top only you can see what was it before and how does it look like after adding a cover image to the Instagram reel. So in this way you can easily add the cover image on your Instagram reel. I hope you got the information well. If this information was useful and the video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you never miss an upcoming video from our channel. Thank you guys.